Hi everyone, my name is Detail. You are highly welcome to my channel. In this tutorial today, you shall be learning how to make this beautiful puff ruffle showing on the screen. Now let's get into it. Here's the fabric I'm making use of. I have taffeta fabric here. You can make use of any fabric of your choice. It's your preference. Just make sure you are not using the fabric that is going to fall. So you are not using falling fabric. I have here 14 inches in length of this fabric and 36 inches in width. You can make yours bigger or smaller than this. It's your preference. So let's continue. I'm going to fold my fabric into two like this and stitch with ½ inch. After stitching, I'll come and show you what's next. I'm done stitching. As you can see, if you are making yours, please make sure you use the matching thread for your own. So I'm going to fold it into two like this. Just fold it into two like this and make sure the same align on each other. So after folding into two like this, I'm going to use my hand needle and thread to run a loose stitch just like this. But if you are making yours, please make sure you you overlock this rough edge before you run your loose stitch to form that ruffle. So I'm going to continue till I get to where I started my loose stitch from. Now I've finished running my loose stitch on this rough edge. Now, as you can see, what I'll just do now is to drag my thread little by little to form that ruffle I'm talking about. Just like this. I'll just drag it just like this. So here will be the right side of my ruffle, and I'm going to make sure that rough edge fall to the wrong side of the ruffle. As you can see, here is it now. So I'm going to tighten it up at the wrong side very well by passing through my needle and thread all around like this. I'll just tighten it up very well, making sure my stitch is not losing up. So I'm going to let my needle and thread be on the right side for me to add either trimmies or petals to cover this place up like this. I'll just cut it like this. After tacking these trimmies, I'll show you how it's going to look like on the mannequin. Here is the finishing look of this puff ruffle. As you can see, if my tutorial has been helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.